you.
Yeah, sure.
I thought you'd be more surprised to see that.
I was
Thank
watching
you.
on the
Thank
monitor.
you.
No. Doctor, whatever you're about to do, don't do it.
It won't hurt. It'll be nothing. You'll just pass out for a moment.
And then,
When you wake, we'll be fine. Clara, just listen to me.
just say it. Say it. Come on. Tell me.
When you wake up, you'll have forgotten. You've forgotten we ever even met.
Shit.
Because it's the only way. That stuff in your head, the image of me, they could use
Chill.
you.
I use these.
What?
That.
What did you do?
What do you think? The shield was right, you see? We're too alike.
Tell me what you did.
What else? What else do you think I did? I reversed the polarity. Push that button, Doctor. It will go off in your
Respect
own
it.
face.
Trying to trick
What
me.
are you trying to do to me?
I'm trying to keep you safe.
Why?
Sorry.
Nobody's ever safe. Thank you for that ever.
Thank you, baby.
These have been the best years of my life, and they are mine.
Yeah, I agree.
Tomorrow's promised to no one, Doctor, but I insist upon my past. I am entitled to that. It's mine.
She's not wrong, is she?
No.
I think I'd be pretty seething if somebody tried to take my memories. They're mine.
Oh, Clara, Oswald.
Ugh.
What am I doing?
My boobies in
You're right.
the way.
You're always right.
Yes, she's a woman, of course she's always right. Just roll your eyes at me. Don't roll your eyes at
What
me.
do we do now?
I'm not sure if you managed to reverse the polarity. I'm not even sure that you can.
Oh,
It'll do something. To one of us. The other one for the next.
phew. Thank you.
You and me, together. Look how far I went. For fear of losing you. This has to stop. One of us has to go.
Oh my god. Sorry. Thank you.
You really don't know it?
Let's find out.
Oh,
Let's do it. Like we've done everything else.
phew.
Together.
Thank you. I'm trying to watch this
How
man.
about we
It's
just
fucking mad.
Why don't we just